I hope you are feeling well. Today we are going to start our third lecture on the same topic, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, a model of tolerance. Today we will explain and discuss paragraph number 2, 3 and 4. But before going to start this lesson, we should know about the objectives that we are supposed to attain at the completion of this lesson. Okay, first of all, you are supposed to write 15 MCQs out of the text, translation of the text, short question number 2, 3, okay, of the exercise, and theme plus main idea. Dear students, now what is the difference between theme and main idea? Remember, theme refers to moral lesson. For example, we have thirsty crow. We have nothing to do whether that crow drinks water or not. Basically, we are concerned with the moral at the end, and that is necessity is the mother of invention, or God help those people who help themselves. So we are concerned with that moral lesson, and that moral lesson is known as theme. And now, what is main idea? Main idea means what the lesson is about, what is being discussed in the text. For example, in thirsty crow, we are talking about thirsty crow, and it is in search of water and it makes a plans to quench it thirst. So that is basically the main idea. Okay, now let's talk about the sketch or brief summary of paragraph number 2, 3 and 4. Okay, while preaching Islam, preaching means tabligh karna. He and his he and was ostracized. Means when the Holy Prophet was preaching Islam at Mecca, he and his family was ostracized, or he was ousted from Mecca. Ostracized means शहर बदर करना और जिलावतन करना. The next points we have lived for 3 days in valley Shab Abi Talib, having scarcity. Scarcity means killat, kami of food. It means that when the Holy Prophet was ousted from Mecca, so he and his followers, along with his family, started to live in a valley, Shab Abi Talib, and they had a very less amount of food. Led tough life with no means zarai of income. Income means amdani. Means when the Holy Prophet and his followers, along with his family, started to live at a valley by the name of Shab Abi Talib, so they had a very less amount of food, and they had no means of income, and means they had no money at all. Uh, Still remained calm and tolerant. Means in such difficult situation, difficult condition, the Holy Prophet and his followers remained very calm. Calm means pursukoon, and tolerant. Tolerant means sabar karne wale. So the Holy Prophet and his followers remained tolerant and calm. The next points we have, did not think about revenge. Now, in such situation, when they were treated very badly by the people of Makkah, still they remained silent, they remained tolerant, and they remained calm, and they did not think about any revenge or any retaliation. Revenge means badla, intikam. After conquering is fatah karna, Makkah, Muslim army entered humbly and did not rob. Humbly means ajazana अंदाज में. Rob means लूटना, डाका डालना. Any house, and no woman was insulted. Insult means बेइज्जती करना. Means when the Muslim conquered Makkah, so the Muslim army entered Makkah very humbly, very peacefully, and they did not rob any house, or they did not insult it, or did not insult any woman. Okay. Then general amnesty was granted. What does it mean? It means that all the people were given general amnesty. Amnesty means maafi. All the people were given general forgiveness. They were forgiven, though they treated very badly the Holy Prophet and his follower, but they remained tolerant and they did not harm any person, they did not rob any house, and all the people were given means general amnesty or forgiveness. उनको माफ किया गया. They expected kindness. Kindness means mehrabani. Pity means rehem. Gracious means fayazi or rehem. Okay. When after the conquest of Makkah, when all the people of Makkah assembled at Hana Kaaba, so they were asked by the Holy Prophet that what they expect from him. So all the people shouted that they expect what? Pity, kindness and graciousness from the Holy Prophet. Okay, after explaining those 3 paragraphs of the text, let's see what types of structures are being used in the text. First of all, you should know that in these sentences, mostly they means the writer has used past tense. Let's discuss first structure. The Quraysh ostracized him. Now you see, in all these sentences, past tense has been used. In the first sentence, now you see the Quraysh ostracized him. Now ostracize is second form of verb. It means that past indefinite is used in the first sentence because second form of verb is used in past indefinite. The Quraysh is basically a subject in this sentence, and this is a noun phrase. Noun phrase means more than one word. It might be 2, 3 or 4, and it does not give complete meaning, so we call it a phrase. So it is a noun phrase because it works as a noun. So the Quraysh is a noun phrase, and second form of verb means past indefinite is used in this structure. Okay, next the next sentence we have, that is, the believer had no means of income and they were leading very tough life. Now you see, in the second, as usual, we have past tense, but here we have had, and had here working as a possessive. Possessive means जो मलकियत को जाहिर करे. Possession means malkiyat. Had no means. So had here, not, it is a helping verb. It is a main verb and it shows possession. Okay? They had no means of income and they were. Now you see, were is a helping verb and it is used in past continuous. It is used in past continuous. Now had is also sometimes it is used as a helping verb, but here it works as a main verb. Clear? But it shows possession. Now, what is helping verb? And leading is a main verb. So this helping verb is helping this main verb. So that one is helping verb and this one main verb. So this is a structure of a past continuous tense. Okay? Now, the third sentence, even after he had conquered Makkah. Now you see, had conquered. Had is a helping verb which helped this main verb to give complete meaning. You see, had conquered. This is past perfect tense. As usual, once again, they have used past tense, past perfect tense, and the Holy Prophet asked. Now you see, asked his follower to remain calm. Now asked. Here once again, it is a past indefinite. So in the same one structure, we have this complex sentence. It's a combination of 2 clauses. So we call it complex sentence. One is main clause and the other is a subordinate clause. The first one is subordinate clause and the second is a main clause. Okay, so in the first subordinate clause, we have past perfect, and the second main clause, which starts from the Holy Prophet, there has been used past indefinite tense. Okay, in the fourth sentence, we have no house was robbed. Now you see, once again, this is past tense, but it is what? It is passive form. It is passive form of what? Of a past indefinite. Passive form. You see, was is helping verb, and we have the main verb, that is third form of verb. So it is a passive structure. Now you see there is means the doer of action is missing. The doer of action is missing. For example, no house was robbed by what? By Muslim or Muslim army. So that is missing. Okay. So this is passive structure. Means helping word was and robbed, and it's the passive voice of what? Past indefinite. The fifth sentence we have, there was scarcity of food and water. Now you see, there is generally used, it is a general form, and was is what we call here, it was as a main verb, and we call it linking verb because linking verb always introduce a noun or pronoun, or it is also known as subject complement because was introduced a subject complement. So subject complement completes the meaning of a subject. Okay, so here you see there is not a subject. Now you see there after there always we use a noun phrase. It is a journal there. So there was scarcity of food in Makkah. So scarcity of food and water, this is a noun phrase, and the word which has been used over here, that is linking word. I hope that you have understood the structures and the tense that have been used in this text. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.